Welcome, today in front of me Infinix Hot 11, and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So you can do it by the two ways. The first one, you should go into the settings application and then here click on the display and brightness section. Now just click here to the wallpaper, and can you see here you can choose your new wallpaper from the device gallery, from the photos, or from the default wallpapers on this device. For example, we'll go with this one. Just now click to apply, and we want to set the wallpaper on our lock screen. So click here, wait a second, and as can you see, we got here the message that we just successfully changed our lock screen wallpaper, as can you see. And also we got the second way how we can do that. Just first slide with the two fingers at the same time, and here on the left down corner you will see the wallpapers icon. Just tap there, and by the same way you can select your new wallpaper from the online wallpapers, from the local ones, or click here to more and go to the device gallery if you got some photos here, or from your photos from the Google account. For example, we'll go with this photo, click here and tap to lock screen. Wait a second again, and now just for check you can see that our device, our lock screen wallpaper has changed successfully. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.